Hi, my name is Phillip. I am here because I found Dr. Patel as a result of an event. I was debilitated by a migraine to the point that I could not stand. I collapsed, and it was the product of eventually what we found out. It was the food that I was consuming. I had gone to my doctor and had requested that we do a gastro operation, attempted different diets. None of them worked, not long term, and he referred me to Dr. Patel. Dr. Patel put me on a program that's worked. It is very easy to follow, and it was I'm still working on it. It's still in progress. That has been very beneficial, and the outcome of that is that they have, Dr. Patel and her staff have not only made me healthier, but it probably saved my life. They also have enabled me to lose about 80 pounds so far. The numbers for A1C now are normal. My sugar levels are normal, thanks to Dr. Patel's program. And I've actually stopped taking some of those medications based on some of the education in the program that Dr. Patel and her staff have provided me. So one of my favorite aspects of the program that Dr. Patel and the staff put me through, they give you a wide variety of choices, wide range in some of the normal food that we see, foods that sometimes we need to consume while we're either on travel or don't have time, we're busy. So they actually fit the lifestyle that you may have. I travel quite a bit, and I've been able to do this through this program, even when I'm on the road and not necessarily eating some of the best foods that are available at the time. The results of the program will be better than the diets that you typically hear or read about. They are supervised by Dr. Patel herself. There is no fads or no trends that you follow. It is based on medical information, easy to follow. Bottom line is, I'm living proof of it. I feel great. There's a lot to gain from it besides being healthy. There is a mental and a physical aspect that you feel better about yourself, being able to do more, thinking that you can do more. I do a lot more work around the house. I'm capable of walking more, lifting more, doing more, and it came naturally. It's a natural feeling that you will get that you're capable of doing that. It's not a prescription. You will just be able to do it, and it feels great to be able to do that. And I will always say, I owe my life to Dr. Patel.